What's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be doing a review for the newest Samsung fitness tracker, which is the Galaxy Fit 3. This fitness tracker is intended to satisfy the needs of both casual users and exercise aficionados with its stylish design, enhanced functionality, and variety of health-focused features. In this review, we will delve into its design, features, performance, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. The Galaxy Fit 3 sports a minimalist and modern design, making it a stylish accessory for any outfit. Its lightweight body and comfortable band ensures it can be worn all day without any discomfort. The tracker is also available in several colors, allowing users to choose one that best matches on their personal style. The one that I got now is the rose gold color, which looks great. It does have now aluminum frame also, and a bigger OLED display that curves on its sides. This makes the SmartBand looks more premium and beautiful. The quality build is superb and doesn't feel cheap like any other SmartBand. The 1.1-inch full-color AMOLED display is bright and vibrant, providing excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. It does have one button on its side, then underneath it located its main sensors, like its heart rate monitoring sensors, sleep tracking sensors, and many other more. It is also where the charging pin is located and the button to remove its straps. With a 580 mAh rating and it's now IP68 as well, the Galaxy Fit 3 is suitable for swimming and can withstand splashes, rain, and even a dip in the pool. This makes the band able to withstand daily wear and tear, making it a reliable companion for all of your activities. This is powered by Samsung-owned proprietary software and not by Android Wear OS. However, its performance is still amazing. It is fast and fluid, and it is very responsive in opening its apps and navigating through its UI. It's not like any other SmartBand which lags, and it beats also some other cheap smartwatches on that category as well. You won't be lost on its UI since it's pretty the same as most of the smartwatch or SmartBands is. By clicking the side button, it will show your main watch face or home screen. Swipe down, it will show your control panel. Swipe up, it will show its apps. Swipe right, it will show its notification panel, while swiping left will show its different widgets. Its apps are limited to basic, like the fitness, weather, calendar, timer, alarm, stopwatch, calculator, and some other more. You can control also your media on your phone via this watch, and you can also use it as a remote camera button for selfies or taking photos. It does have 100 different watch faces as well, and you can customize it with your own photos. The health app is pretty good and sync up with the watch properly so far in my uses. Samsung has packed the Galaxy Fit 3 with a plethora of features to help you stay on the top of your fitness goals. It does have 100 different workouts options that you can choose from. It does have a continuous heart rate monitoring, which helps you track of your cardiovascular health and optimize your workouts. It also have an advanced sleep tracking, which provides you insights into your sleeping pattern and helping you understand and improve your sleep quality. The tracker can automatically detect and log various activities as well, such as walking, running, cycling, and many more, ensuring you get credit for all of your efforts. There's also an integrated stress monitoring features which helps you manage stress levels with guided breathing exercises. One weakness that it has is it doesn't have GPS on it, so it always depends on your phone for connection if you work out with GPS. But it still performs on basic workouts and monitoring your heart rate, your steps, your calories that you burn, and many other more. With typical use, the Galaxy Fit 3 offers up to 1 week of battery life on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Even with continuous heart rate monitoring and regular activity tracking, the battery life is still good. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is a versatile and reliable fitness tracker that caters to a wide audience. Whether you're a casual user looking to stay active or a fitness enthusiast aiming to track detailed health metrics, the Galaxy Fit 3 has something to offer. With its sleek design and comprehensive tracking capabilities and excellent battery life, it stands out as one of the best fitness trackers that are available today. Its pros are stylish and comfortable design, its bright and clear AMOLED display, it does have comprehensive health and fitness tracking features, and good value for money. So its cons are lacking in built-in GPS, and also it does have only limited third-party app support. For only 3,500 pesos or less than 70 US dollars, the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 offers excellent value for money. It strikes a great balance between form and function, providing all the essential features needed to help you lead a healthier and more active lifestyle. So that is my review for the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.